Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the iPhone is unlocked and online, because Settings needs a current Apple ID session. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top to reach Apple ID details. This is important since Applecare status ties to the device and your account. Make sure to note the serial number shown in Settings General about so you can confirm the exact device if needed later. Next, select the device you're checking from the devices list under your Apple ID. This directs the phone to the device-specific record. Then tap the Coverage or Warranty section to reveal whether Applecare or Applecare Plus is active and the expiration date. You do this so you know what is and isn't covered, like accidental damage versus manufacturer defects, and whether you need to prepare payment for renewal or a single service fee if coverage lapsed. Finally, confirm coverage by taking a screenshot of the coverage page. It serves as quick proof if you need support. If the screen is unclear, use the serial or IMEI to verify with Apple support via chat or phone. This ensures account linking and avoids disputes. If coverage doesn't appear, make sure your purchase receipt or Applecare email is ready, because Apple can manually validate ownership and enrollments when records are provided.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.